This is the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for Tuesday, the 17th of July. I'm Michael Groff. Monsoonal weather pattern continues here across the southwest with daily chances of showers and thunderstorms, humid conditions as well. But as we head toward the weekend and into much of next week, a reprieve from the monsoon activity as high pressure intensifies, temperatures go up as the moisture levels come down. Let's talk about it. First, in the valley yesterday, 105 degrees the high after a morning low of 84. That's right about where we should be. There was a trace of rain in the bucket at Sky Harbor as well. Some spots in the valley saw a few hundredths of an inch during the morning hours yesterday. And outside right now here at 5:05 a.m., we've got partly cloudy skies, and we begin this day at 86 degrees at Sky Harbor. Dew point's at 70, so it's still tropical out there. Relative humidity 59%. The winds are light. The barometer is rising. Temperatures around south central Arizona this morning. Most of us in the 80s, although it is 76 over in Buckeye, where there's been a few showers earlier. Radar this morning shows scattered showers and embedded thunderstorms, some moderate rain down there in parts of southern Maricopa, eastern Yuma, and much of Pima County. A few pulse-type showers and storms popping up here and there as well, so we can't rule out one or two of those getting into the valley this morning. The water vapor satellite view, the monsoon weather pattern continues here across the southwest, an inverted trough over northwest Mexico, and that's helping to spark off additional showers and storms there. An easterly wave will be entering the state later tonight. So we'll see how that impacts our weather as well. The watch warning map, we have an air quality alert for the Phoenix area once again today. Heat advisories, parts of the southern plains and the Mississippi River Valley. Excessive heat warnings over the Pacific Northwest. And on the convective outlook for today, a slight risk of severe storms from New York City up toward Hartford, Boston, Portland, Maine, with a marginal risk for the adjacent states. Another marginal risk area from the central Rockies out across parts of the plain states. Here in Arizona, we're in the green. Scattered thunderstorms expected again today. Organized severe weather, of course, not anticipated, but any one storm can certainly become severe during the monsoon, as you know. Rainfall for the next 7 days, 1 to 2 inch amounts across the rim country of northern Arizona, about 1/10 of an inch expected here in the valley. And given the weather pattern right now, I'd say that's probably pretty generous, but we'll get into the details of it right now as we check out the models and see where things are headed. This is the GFS, the 06Z run, valid at 5 o'clock this afternoon, the upper look at 500 millibars. There's our monsoon ridge here across the southwest, an easterly flow aloft that will be increasing as we go through the day today, an inverted trough across northern Mexico, plenty of moisture, not only in the upper atmosphere, but at the surface. And so down at the surface today, we'll expect kind of a repeat of what we've seen the last few days. Partly sunny skies, slight chance of showers and storms through the day today. High temperatures 101 to 104. And yes, it will be steamy out there. Tonight, partly cloudy. Lows mainly in the 80s and a slight chance of showers and storms. I'd say the best chances of rain will actually be concentrated further to the south with that inverted trough. But as that easterly wave that we've mentioned approaches us, across eastern Arizona tonight, a little disturbance out there. Might see a few showers and storms kicking up overnight, and those could affect us tomorrow morning in the valley. Tomorrow, again, those aforementioned showers and thunderstorms possible in the morning and again redeveloping in the afternoon. Highs 102 to 105. Thursday, the GFS is showing a slight increase in the number of showers and storms across the state, but for now, we'll just go with a consistent idea of a slight chance or low-grade monsoon forecast in effect for the valley. Showers and thunderstorms possible afternoon and evening hours, highs 103 to 106. Same deal on Friday. The ridge will be intensifying, sliding off to the west. And as that happens, we'll start to see the moisture getting pinched off just a little bit. Saturday, a slight chance of a late afternoon or evening shower or storm, but I'd say at this point it's almost completely out of here. And highs warming up further, 105 to 108. Sunday will be 108 to 111, and I think at that point, shower and thunderstorm activity will be confined to just a few isolated storms over the mountains. Nothing for us here in the valley. And same thing for Monday. Highs could get pretty hot at this point in the 110 to 113 range. Here's a week from today. This is Tuesday, the 24th of July. High pressure, a 597 heat dome right on top of us. So chances of precipitation pretty much out of here at that point. High temperatures, hot, 112 to 115 if this verifies. Wednesday, the 25th, same thing, 597 ridge right over us. Highs 111 to 114, and then here's the end of the forecast period. This is Thursday, the 26th of July. Now, the ridge is going to start to slide a bit further to the north, and the easterly flow will return, so moisture may start to come back in, but it's going to take a little while. High temperatures are still going to be up there, though, around 110 plus. and a slight chance of showers and storms over the mountains. Let's check the numbers coming off the National Weather Service blend. High temperatures warming up by this weekend and early next week, 110 plus. Would not be surprised to see some of the warmest spots getting up toward that 115 mark early next week if all of the best performing models should verify. And that's going to do it for the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. My next video back here tomorrow morning. If you like our videos, be sure to subscribe so that whenever we post a brand new one, you'll get the notifications. Otherwise, be safe out there, and you guys have yourselves a great Tuesday.